In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your Wrike account. So go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Wrike login page. If you've connected your account to Google, you can conveniently log in using that option. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Wrike dashboard, ready to make changes to your user settings. Now that we're in, the next step involves accessing your settings menu. Look at the top left corner of the page. You should see your profile photo there. Click on it to reveal a user menu that contains several options. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings area where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're in the Settings panel, we need to find the Users section. Scroll down a bit or look for the Users section link. Give it a click and you'll be directed to a complete list of all the team members who currently have access to your Wrike account. This is a great place to manage your team, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the list if you haven't already. Now, let's find the specific user you want to delete. You may need to scroll through the list to locate their name. Take your time to make sure you have the right person. Click directly on their name. It's really important to double-check this step to avoid any mistakes. Mistakenly deleting the wrong user can lead to confusion, so be vigilant. Once you've selected the right user, it's time to take action. Look for the option labeled Delete from Account. When you find it, go ahead and click on that. After clicking, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is Wrike's way of making sure you really want to proceed with deleting the user. Take a moment here to verify again that you've selected the correct individual before you confirm your choice. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your action to finalize the removal. Once you do this, the user will be removed from your account and their access will be revoked. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully removed a user from Wrike. Remember, managing your team effectively is crucial, and knowing how to add or delete users is an important part of that process. I hope you found this video helpful in guiding you through the steps of deleting a user in Wrike. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it useful, as it helps me to create more content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.